we provide in-person training sessions for your agents conducted at your office that are interactive and designed as per your company needs for hands-on learning. We also provide management coaching for your leadership team to enhance overall performance. We teach how to assign tasks and KPIs the right way for higher performance, how to monitor and analyze agents' tasks in order to improve their performance, improving and aligning the operations between departments, ensuring that your operations are performing as efficiently and effectively as possible. The goal is to minimize your current costs and maximize your operational capabilities, identifying and implementing proven methods that make the business more efficient and cost-effective, fine-tuning and implementing proper strategy plan, budgeting, marketing strategy, etc. to improve performance and maximize profits.